Well, I'll be damned, here comes your voice again, but that's not unusual. It's just that the moon is full and you happen to call. And here I sit, hand on the telephone, hearing a voice I'd known, couple of light years away, heading straight for a fall. As I remember, your eyes were bluer than robin's eggs. My poetry was lousy, you said. Where are you calling from? Blues in the Midwest. "10 years ago, I bought you some cufflinks. You brought me something we both know what memories can bring. They've been diamonds and rust. Well, you burst on the scene already a legend, the unwashed phenomenon, the original vagabond. You strayed into my arms, and there you stayed, temporarily lost at sea. The Madonna was yours for free. Yes, the girl on the half shell would keep you on hold. Now I see you standing there with brown leaves falling around and showing your hair. Now you're smiling out the window of that crummy hotel over Washington Square. Our breath comes white clouds and mingles and hangs in the air. Speaking strictly for me, we both could have died then and there.